This salad has a huge wow factor with its stacked presentation, and the dressing is creamy, packed with fresh basil and a lovely lemony bite. Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, and before we make our salad, if you could do me a huge favor, just hit that subscribe button. I sure would appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, so for this salad, you can see there are all sorts of goodies in here. I mean, there is a lot of greatness happening here. But what you're really gonna love is the salad dressing, and we'll get to that in a minute. So just take all your ingredients and just mix them together. The trickiest thing about this whole salad is the chopping. Just go ahead and get everything in here. And this is a really great salad to make ahead of time, but if you do that, don't put the salad dressing in. Just take out however much salad you want as you need it, and then add your salad dressing, and you are good to go. So let's just give this a good mix until it's thoroughly combined, and then we'll jump into our salad dressing. Okay, so to make this salad dressing, use 1/2 cup sour cream, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 cup fresh minced basil leaves, the juice of 2 lemons, mix this all together until it's thoroughly combined. It smells really good. Okay, so this is your salad dressing, and you want to keep it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to a week. So when you're ready to use it, if you've made a big batch of this salad ahead of time, just take out what you need and then add a little dressing to it. And give this a good mix. And you want enough dressing that it coats everything without being too goopy. And then go ahead and plate it up. And then you want to top it with some crispy fried onions right on top, and then garnish it with a few sliced tomatoes for your garnish. And there is your Ruth Chris Chopped Salad. Now, if you want the full Ruth Chris experience, you're gonna need one of these. Now, this is a stacking ring, and you can find this on Amazon or any kitchen supply store for around 10 bucks. Mix the salad with the salad dressing and pack it into the ring. Top it with the fried onions and then carefully unmold it. Okay, now for the best part. So when it's stacked like this, I love just something kind of, it's like sticking your finger in a peanut butter jar or something for the first time. Okay, let's give this guy a go. There's so much crunch and lemon, and the fresh basil ties it all together. And there's some deep undernotes with the blue cheese. So nice. You're gonna love this salad. And thank you for hanging out with me here at Lakeside Table. If you want to print this recipe out, head over to lakesidetable.com, and you'll find all my recipes over there. Then come on back for some more videos, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.